What's up mga ka-RM? Welcome back sa ating RM Hobby Collection. So get ready with me to unbox another figure, another toy, another Dragon Ball. Ayan. Today guys, we will be unboxing an OG heavyweight figure, the Grandista Vegeta Resolution of Soldiers from Banpresto. Ayan. So guys, our figure today is a BIB condition, means back in the box. Okay, so it's previously been open, but it's very well kept, and all its inclusion, accessories are still complete. Ayan. Salamat nga pala kay Fast Flip para sa ating Grandista Majin Vegeta. So kagaya nating mga collectors, thumbs up pa rin yan, solid pa rin yan. Look. Ayan, ito siya. So what we see in the box is what we get inside. So let's check it later. Yan. So guys, to give you a what do you call this, quick view, Grandista, yan. Yan, from the Grandista era, early Grandista era, a time when Banpresto focuses on large scale, large figures, heavy figures, yan, realistic anime proportion, yan. So ang OG Grandista figures like these are becoming so very rare na siya. Yan. Hindi man siya rare, pero hard to find na kasi nga way back, diba, sabi ko sa aking previous video, way back 2018, it was the golden era. So mga hard to find na ang mga old release na Grandista. Yan. Yan. So guys, let's unbox and check it out. Diba, sabi nga nila si Vegeta is a prince, guys, of all Super Saiyan during the Dragon Ball Z era. Yan. So very known pa rin siya dahil sa rivalry nila ni Goku. Alam naman natin guys, si Vegeta is very tawag nito, competitive, diba? Very competitive si Vegeta, lalong-lalo na kay Goku, diba? Vegeta always want to be the number one, but Goku is still the number one. So guys, ito ang ating BIB. Ayan. So it's well kept, complete inclusion, even the accessories niya. So ayan. Let's check. Head. Yan. The body. So, saka meron din siyang foot support. Yan. Ano yung foot support? Kaya pa rin yung foot support. So, let's open guys. So, ang head is very well kept. Ayan. Sa BIB. The first head. Ayan. Let's check the second one. Ayan. It has two heads. Oops. Guys, you can see the detailed sculpt or carvings from Vegeta's head. Yan, meron siyang even the single detail ng mga veins ni Vegeta. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan, very detailed siya, including the teeth. Ayan, you can see naman sa mga Grandista na lahat may kulay yan. Even here, the facial expression of Vegeta from this, ito. Yan, sa face niya yan. Ayan. And let's check the body. Sinong mag-aakala guys, diba, na it's a BIB condition, pero it looks like brand new. Ayan. Ayan ang kanyang figure. So, ito ang kanyang foot support. Let's check first the first head. So guys, it depends on you how what do you want, if Vegeta with this face or Vegeta with this normal face. I could say it's his normal face. Ayan, kasi ganito lagi yung figure ni Vegeta sa mga series nila, diba? Dragon Ball series na cross arm siya. Ayan, the Super Saiyan sharp hair. Yan yung details niya. Yung pagkaka-carvings niya, ayan, Super Saiyan. The sharpness of the shoulders, the muscles, the arms, the facial expression, that detailed, what do you call this, battle damage sa kanyang suit, ayan. Very solid, guys. Let's check. Ayan. Ayan siya. Look how Vegeta stands. Ayan. Let's check the other head. So, heavy figure din siya. Ayan. Look at the face of Vegeta. Gaya ng sabi ko, diba? Every single detailed are very solid. Ayan. Yan, the veins, the smirk, smile. The battle damage suit, yan. The back. Look, even at the back, yung pagkaka-carvings ng kanyang damit. And the color is very okay. Solid. Yan. Kakaiba yung kulay niya. Yan. Pero blue pa rin siya. Pero ang pagkaka-blue niya kasi it's like what do you call it? It's like realistic blue. Yan. Yung pagkaka-blue niya compared sa mga other Dragon Ball, ha. Because meron mga Dragon Ball na ang painting nila is light only, unlike this one. It's very solid. Yan. The colors, and okay siya. The arms, and okay siya. So guys, gaya ng sabi ko, it depends on your preference what head will you use. Yan. So siguro ako, I prefer this one. Yan. I prefer this Vegeta's head. Yan. So guys, kung bago ka sa aming video, yan, follow ka na sa aming Facebook. Subscribe ka na rin sa ating YouTube channel. And don't forget kung saan na nakaabot tong video namin. Comment down below guys kung saan na nakaabot dito para ma-shoutout naman kita sa ating new unboxing videos. Ayan. Tsaka paki-follow na rin ang ating Shimaris Fashion Boutique. Ayan. Adios! Bye-bye!